You held my hand when I was small. You answered when I tried to call. You sang His name in quiet ways and taught me how to speak His praise. I'm your grandchild, this I know. You helped my little faith to grow. You loved the Lord and loved me too, and I see Him because